In the heart of this technological revolution, a curious question arises. Is artificial intelligence, or AI, silently strangling our spirituality? As we weave AI deeper into the fabric of our lives, are we drifting further away from the whispers of our inner selves? Imagine a world sculpted by algorithms. They curate your newsfeed, recommend your music, and even whisper career advice in your ear. This constant stream of curated information fosters a sense of convenience, a convenience that we all have and take part in. So, as shocking as it seems to think about, this is the world today, where everything you click, buy, watch, and like is being recorded and placed into the matrix of our world. Algorithmic curation can lull us into a state of passive consumption. We become accustomed to having information and recommendations spoon-fed to us, bypassing the crucial process of critical analysis. This can erode our capacity for independent thought and decision-making. Instead of questioning and evaluating the information we encounter, we might simply accept it as truth because it originated from a seemingly authoritative source, the digital oracle. This not only hinders our intellectual growth, but can also make us susceptible to manipulation and bias. Some believe AI can be a spiritual ally, offering innovative tools for meditation, mindfulness, and self-discovery. Meditation apps with personalized guidance and virtual reality experiences that transport us to serene landscapes for inner peace. These are just glimpses of the possibilities. Yet, a disquieting thought lingers. Is AI merely a sophisticated distraction? A shiny object diverting our attention from the raw, unfiltered connection with our own soul? AI undeniably offers a treasure trove of knowledge at our fingertips. A simple question finds an answer in a heartbeat. But can a machine replicate the profound introspection and quiet reflection that fuels spiritual growth? The journey inward, the grappling with existential questions. These are uniquely human experiences that defy the cold logic of algorithms. In our modern world, convenience acts like a siren song, lulling us into a constant state of digital consumption. Scrolling endlessly through social media feeds, bombarded by notifications and the pressure to stay connected, creates a digital deluge that leaves us feeling fragmented and spiritually parched. This is where we must take a conscious stand. Technology, while undeniably enriching, requires a healthy balance. Just as we prioritize physical well-being through exercise and diet, so too must we nurture our spiritual well-being. By carving out spaces for quiet contemplation, practices like meditation, spending time in nature, and fostering genuine human connection, we become the antidotes to this digital overload. This conscious effort ensures that AI remains a tool for good, not a usurper of our inner world. As we venture into this uncharted territory of human-AI coexistence, it's crucial to hold fast to the very essence of what makes us human. This essence lies not in the cold logic of algorithms, but in the warmth of our empathy, the depth of our compassion, and the profound power of genuine connection. Spirituality, at its core, is a deeply personal odyssey. It's a journey that unfolds within the tapestry of our emotions, where vulnerability becomes the key that unlocks growth. We grapple with existential questions, confront the shadows of our hearts, and experience a kaleidoscope of feelings: joy, sorrow, love, and loss. These raw, unfiltered experiences are the fertile ground where our spirituality blossoms. AI, for all its advancements, can analyze data and generate responses, but it cannot tap into the wellspring of human emotions. It cannot offer a shoulder to cry on, celebrate a victory with genuine joy, or understand the intricacies of forgiveness. AI may offer tools and insights to illuminate our spiritual path. It might personalize meditation experiences or guide us through mindfulness exercises. However, it can never replace the raw, unfiltered journey of the human soul. This inner voyage requires a vulnerability and emotional depth that lies beyond the reach of machines. It's in the quiet moments of introspection, the shared laughter with loved ones, and the acts of selfless compassion that we truly connect with the essence of our spirituality. So, as we navigate this new landscape alongside AI, let us not lose sight of these irreplaceable elements of our humanity, for they are the very essence of who we are. Now, this is where you come in. Is AI the harbinger of spiritual doom, or can it be a catalyst for growth? Share your thoughts, your experiences, your anxieties, and your hopes in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation alive. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of spirituality and AI. If you enjoyed this thought-provoking content, don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time, nurture your light.